We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit.
Hey everyone, I'm in front of this apartment complex. The address is 10 Montgomery Ave in Bala, Cynwyd, and it is a very nice apartment complex. Right now I'm at the intersection of Montgomery and Hardie Way. I'm about to show you a two-bed room unit in one of these buildings. There are a couple of buildings. Some of them are on Bala Cynwyd Avenue. Some of them are on here on Hardie Way. So the unit I'm about to show you is on Hardie Way Avenue. The name of the building is Argyle building, this one, and it has number 4 on the door, and the unit is located downstairs on a lower floor. So I just got into the building, go down the stairs. So unit number D2 of the Argyle building. All right, as I open the unit, the first thing you see is a beautiful floor. It's just brand new floor and a drop ceiling, a big living space, a huge living space, and you have huge windows over there, and the unit has a lot of natural light. This is a living area. Just came through this door. You have intercom here, and you have a closet space in the living room. Nice size closet space. You'll be looking out to the Hardie Way. I just came in through from that street. All right, the second room I would like to show you is this room. You can use it as a dining room or living room, additional living room. It has 2 big windows. It's a nice floor, same as the other one. It has a drop ceiling. It's a beautiful unit. It just recently renovated. And the next room I would like to show you is the kitchen. The kitchen also has a lot of natural light. Actually, it's even more brighter than the other rooms. You have window on this side, you have window on the other side. You have tons of storage space, a lot of storage space you have both sides. You do have a gas cooktop and oven. Your sink. You have storage space, pantry here. You also have a refrigerator. The next room I would like to show you are the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. It's located here. As you walk in from the dining room, on your left hand side you have here closet space. Then you will see this door that will take you to the back of the building. It's the exit to the back of the building. Here on the right side, you have a hallway, 1 bedroom on the left, the other on the right. It's a nice floor. You have closet space here. Nice size closet space. You also have additional closet space over there. You have a window unit for the AC, and you have a heater for the water heater for the heat. It's a nice size bedroom. The next one is the bathroom. Between 2 bedrooms you have this bathroom. It's a brand new tile floor. It's a brand new tile wall. It's a beautiful wall actually. It's brand new bathtub. In this bathroom you have a shower and bath combo. You have toilet, you have a sink and a medicine cabinet. Windows is very bright here, and also you have this closet space. Alright, the last room I would like to show you is the other bedroom. It's just between these 2 bedrooms. There's the bathroom here, and then as you get out of the bathroom you see this bedroom. Nice size bedroom. You have a window here, a lot of natural light. Be watching out to the family picnic area. It's like a playground for children. This bedroom also has big closet space. All right, I just showed you a 2-bedroom unit at Montgomery Avenue